Hi folks, this is Sector. Today is the 23rd of January 2008, Wednesday, and right now it's 40 minutes past 10 p.m. AM, London time. I've just taken a short entry on the GBP against the JPY. That's the pound, the sterling pound against the Japanese yen. And let me try to explain what I'm seeing on my charts, okay? Alright, first of all, I'm spotting a trend. As usual, I like to trade with a trend backing me up, okay? My custom indicator, the trend scanning indicator, is showing a downtrending on a downtrending scenario on the 4 hours time frame, and indeed we can definitely see those moving averages, okay, nicely pointing down parallel to each other. Price nowhere near the 100 moving average. The dynamic area, which is the area between the 30 and the 50 simple moving average, very harmonically holding price swings below, okay? That's one of the key characteristics of any trend, or at least the way I understand trends myself. I like to see this area never being breached, okay? Holding, like I say, all the different swings, below, if we are in a downtrend, above if we are in an uptrend, of course. That's the case in this setup, so I was searching for short entries, okay? The short entry came in the 1 hour time frame based on a 1, 2, 3 reversal formation. All right, we've seen as of lately throughout the last couple of days a pullback back to this trend line, back to the dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc. Okay, price indeed found resistance of that level. Okay, this is the level I'm talking about, and bounced down in the direction of the main moving averages, okay, upon finding resistance right there. All right, right of the trend line, right of the dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc. So like I said, I was spotting this bounce to the downside, as usual, I zoom into the shorter time frames in order to search for reversal formations, indicating that perhaps a new downswing might be about to to give way. Firstly, the first signal of a reversal is that the retracement trend line, which I am marking in red right now on my screen, was broken. Okay, actually, let me mark the breakout. That's the breakout level. Okay, from that we run throughout the Tokyo session about 150 pips. It was quite a momentum breakout. Okay, no hesitation whatsoever. A number of red bars. Okay, upon giving way, upon the retracement trend line giving way right there. Okay, we've seen a couple of long red bars. For a total of 150 pips. From that, we've seen the pullback back to retest breakout levels. Okay, breakout levels being retested from below, and from that, we've gone through the continuation part of any breakout pullback continuation pattern. This is effectively a 1, 2, 3 reversal formation. Okay, this last high being the aspect number 1, the breakout. Okay, and the breakout. Sorry, the breakout and the pullback being the aspect number 2 and the aspect number 3. Okay, this being the aspect number 3, this being the aspect number 2, and as we've just made a new low, okay, right there, that's where I triggered my short entry. I don't want to, I don't want to elaborate too much into the. I don't want to waste time into the 1, 2, 3 formation. It's explained in detail in the chapter number 3 of my course, I think. But nonetheless, like I said, I'm spotting a reversal formation right off a bounce of level of confluence of resistance. Okay, with that trend line, with that dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc. Price turn around. I searched for my reversal formation. I got it in the shape of a 1, 2, 3 formation, and I just triggered my short entry. Actually, let me zoom into the 15-minute chart for to show you something else. Actually, my entry should have been about an hour and 15 minutes ago. Okay, right there, as we took out the low of this breakout pullback continuation pattern I was talking about before. Like I say, entry should have been right there, but we had the gross domestic product announcement coming from England, and also the minutes also coming from England. So I decided to wait a little bit, at least until those two announcements are out of the way. The minutes came out as expected, for an 8 versus 1 to hold the interest rates. That's what the market was expecting, so no surprise there. The gross domestic product actually came out bullish for the sterling pound, and we saw a little bit of a reaction. Okay, do you see this green long bar there? It snapped price to the upside for about 60 pips immediately up on the news. Okay, this is the long bar I'm talking about, 60 pip bar within 15 minutes. The news came out right there. Price spiked up, but from there, there were not enough buyers in this market to keep pushing price into new heights. And from there, once the news momentum has died out, we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish bars, making new lows, and finally making a lower low for today, right there, which is where I triggered my short entry. Entry price is 207.30, actually 207.29. Okay, right there. Stop loss is 209.05. It's a long stop loss, so I'm obviously I am reducing my usual lot size, because like I say, this is 170 pips, 175 pips to be exact, stop loss. So I am, obviously I'm not trading a long, as large a lot size as I usually do. But anyway, this is the GBP against the JPY. Moves are very long, and we've already hit the average daily range for this day, but this is a 4 hours time frame setup. I usually pay attention for the average daily range when it comes to intraday trading. And this is a longer time frame setup. Like I say, it's a 4 hour setup, so I'm not gonna be too concerned about the average daily range being met. First target as usual will be the previous swing low. Okay, at 202.05, and then I'm gonna let it run. At that point, I will take half of my lot size out, and I will move stop to break even, and I will let the second half of the trade run to the 203.00 level. Okay, 203.10 to be exact. So, to wrap it up a little bit, entry level, stop loss level, first target, final target. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, okay, that's all. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. Quick update. It's 22 minutes past 1 p.m. London time. Like I said, just a quick update to let you know that I closed half of my lot size out right there for plus 220 pips. On half of the lot size, like I say. Very quick trade. In fact, it's been open for about 3 hours. Okay, this was entry level, and right there is where I closed, like I say, half of my lot size out. Stop loss is moved to a break even, and while the second portion of the trade is still open, aiming for the 203.00 level. Alright folks, I'll be keeping you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. One final update on this trade. My sound alarm has just gone off, letting me know that my stop loss has been hit for the second half of the for the second portion of the lot size. Like I said, it's been stopped out at break even. The first half, if you remember, was reached my first target for 220 pips, and the second half, like I say, it's been stopped out at break even right there. So all in all, a plus 110 pips on average on this trade. Alright, that's all for this video. Bye bye.